We've picked the best electric pruning shears based on cutting power, battery life, ease of use, and durability. Everything you need for effortless tree pruning, shrub maintenance, and garden trimming. Whether you're looking for the best cordless pruning shears for thick branches, battery-powered pruning shears for professionals, or a lightweight rechargeable pruner for home use, we've got you covered. These top-rated electric pruning shears will help you trim faster, reduce hand fatigue, and make clean, precise cuts every time. Let's dive into our top picks and find the right one for your gardening needs. Starting at number 5, we have the YAWV Brushless Electric Pruning Shears. If you already own a DeWalt 20V battery, this could be the perfect addition to your gardening tools. Unlike traditional pruning shears, this model is designed for quick and easy branch cutting, making it one of the best rechargeable electric pruning shears for home gardens. The high-carbon SK5 steel blades can easily slice through branches up to 1.2 inches thick, ensuring clean and precise cuts without strain. The brushless motor gives it a longer lifespan, reduces power loss, and delivers consistent cutting power. This makes it an excellent cordless tree pruner for thick branches. Its lightweight and ergonomic design means less hand fatigue, making it one of the best battery-powered pruning shears for seniors or anyone with weaker grip strength. If you're looking for a durable electric pruner for both small and large-scale gardening tasks, this is a solid option. At number 4, we have the YOUGFIN electric pruning shears. Designed for heavy-duty pruning, this tool is built to handle more than just your basic garden trimming. The sharp SK5 blades can cut branches up to 1.2 inches in diameter, making it one of the best cordless pruning shears for professional landscapers and home gardeners alike. A great feature of the YOUGFIN pruner is its auto sleep mode, which turns the device off after 60 seconds of inactivity. This is an excellent safety feature, preventing accidental activation and extending battery life. To reactivate, simply press the trigger twice and you're back in action, which is especially useful for longer gardening sessions. If you're looking for a cordless electric pruning shear for trees, shrubs, and fruit orchards, this is an excellent pick. Coming in at number 3 is the CRAFTSMAN 20V Max Cordless Electric Pruner. This pruner is known for its high power output, making it one of the best electric pruning shears for professionals. It easily cuts through both wet and dry branches up to 1.25 inches thick, making it a top choice for landscapers and DIY gardeners alike. One of its biggest selling points is its incredible battery efficiency. With a single charge, you can make up to 900 cuts, so you won't have to worry about running out of power in the middle of a job. It's one of the best battery-powered pruning shears for long pruning sessions, whether you're trimming small bushes or large tree limbs. Another standout feature is its quick blade change system, which allows you to swap out blades without any extra tools. This makes it a great choice for people who want an efficient, low-maintenance electric pruning shear for home gardening, fruit trees, or professional landscaping. At number 2, we have the Worx 20V NITRO Pruning Shear Lopper. This tool brings serious cutting power to your gardening routine. It features a titanium-plated blade, which reduces friction and extends blade life. This means smoother, easier cuts and long-term durability. Perfect if you're looking for the best cordless branch pruner for thick twigs and branches. The brushless motor provides higher efficiency and a longer runtime, making it a smart investment for gardeners who need consistent performance. It's one of the best cordless electric pruning shears for thick wood, offering 25% more power and 50% longer runtime compared to standard models. A soft grip handle makes it comfortable to use for long periods, helping to reduce hand fatigue. Plus, it's designed for one-handed operation, which is especially useful if you're pruning hard-to-reach branches. If you're looking for a rechargeable electric pruning shear for easy, effortless trimming, the Worx 20V NITRO is a great choice. At number 1, we have the MODOFO upgraded electric pruning shears. If you want the most advanced pruning tool with modern features, this is the one to get. It comes with a smart LCD display, which shows real-time battery levels and count, so you can always track your progress. This feature makes it one of the best electric pruning shears with an LCD display and smart features. One of the best parts about this model is its adjustable cutting diameter. You can switch between 0.98 inches and a maximum of 1.4 inches, allowing for more flexibility when trimming different types of branches. This makes it ideal for precise tree pruning, professional gardening, and home landscaping. It's powered by a 450W brushless motor, capable of delivering over 1,000 cuts per charge. This ensures smooth, powerful trimming, even for thicker branches. Plus, it comes with two high-performance 2000 mAh batteries, which provide up to 4 hours of continuous use. This makes it one of the best battery-powered pruning shears with a long-lasting battery. The smart trigger system allows for instant activation, while its sleep mode helps preserve battery life. If you need a high-tech, efficient, and durable Pruning Shear, this is hands down one of the best electric pruning shears available today. No matter what your pruning needs are, these top 5 electric pruning shears offer a mix of power, convenience, and efficiency. Whether you're looking for the best rechargeable pruning shears, cordless tree pruners for thick branches, or a battery-powered pruning shear with safety features, each of these options will help you trim faster and easier. With brushless motors, SK5 high-carbon steel blades, adjustable cutting diameters, and long battery life, these pruning shears are designed for home gardeners, professional landscapers, and orchard maintenance. They help make tree trimming, shrub maintenance, and garden pruning effortless. So which one is right for you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tools and reviews. Happy pruning!